Hi lovely people, you're welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how local rice is processed in an African village.
So in the morning that she soak it with the cold water.
Okay.
So in the evening she will soak it with the hot water. And leave it till the next day.
Okay.
And that she will now
Boil it.
Yes, please.
Okay. For like 15 to 20
15
minutes.
to 20 minutes.
And then dry it.
And dry it. The one local rice, they should contact her.
The English.
Sometimes even if they are stones, she will make sure that she remove everything.
Wow.
Before she sell it.
So right now she's sieving it.
She's sieving it now. This is what we all patronize in Wega.
I'll try it. Thanks.
Yeah, very nice. When you prepare, it's very delicious.
So this is the drying process.
And the place that she dries them is always nice.
Yeah, another.